Today we're going to learn about a special place called Antarctica. Here's a map of our world. Let me move this out of the way here. Antarctica is that big purple land at the very bottom of our map. All of this is Antarctica. Our world is made up of continents and oceans. The continents are all of the colored pieces on the map. The oceans are the light blue pieces. We live on the continent of North America. This is our country, the United States, this purple country. Actually, we live right around here where the arrow is, in Pennsylvania. If we were to travel to Antarctica, we would have to take an airplane and fly the whole way to the very bottom tip down here of South America. And then from there, we'd have to take a boat and travel the rest of the way to Antarctica. Antarctica is a desert. Now, when you hear the word desert, you probably think of something like this. Very hot, very dry, very sandy. Like something you might see on Aladdin. But Antarctica actually looks like this. It's still a desert. What makes a place a desert is how much precipitation falls. Precipitation is weather that falls from the clouds. So it could fall in the form of rain, or I bet you know when the air is super cold, rain turns into snowflakes. Antarctica doesn't get very much rain or snow. Here are some special words I want you to remember while we're reading the story about Antarctica today. The first word is iceberg. This is a picture of an iceberg. It's a large floating hunk of ice. Some of it is above the water, and some of it, if you look right here, it goes below the water too. We're going to learn about animals that live in Antarctica. Penguins and seals and whales are a few of the animals that live in Antarctica. One thing that doesn't live in Antarctica are humans. People can't live there. There's not enough water, and it's really, really cold most of the time. If you're a person on Antarctica, you're probably a scientist, and you're only there for a little bit of the time, and then you come back home. Now we're going to listen to a story about Antarctica. And when we're done with that, we'll be able to watch a short video that will explain a little bit more. Let's get ready to learn more about a really neat place, Antarctica.